In today's digital world, businesses need more than technology. They need intelligence. Blue Qubit Consulting helps organizations work smarter, stay protected, and scale efficiently through AI-driven products and expert IT services. Our AI-powered platforms deliver measurable results. ActiveTrack provides deep workforce analytics to improve productivity and balance workloads. AI Staff Sync simplifies time and leave management with predictive intelligence. And Coro Cybersecurity delivers unified AI-driven protection across email, cloud, endpoints, and data. Beyond products, we deliver quality software development, IT staff augmentation, and technology consulting. Technology Consulting Quiver, helping regulated and growing businesses modernize securely and efficiently. With a global presence and a focus on security, scalability, and compliance, Blue Qubit Consulting turns technology into real business outcomes. Let's build smarter, safer, AI-powered businesses together. Request a cybersecurity assessment with Blue Qubit Consulting.